Here's a Google Nest Doorbell. This is the battery version, and you have an issue where it doesn't charge or turn on. Okay, it's very easy to fix. I've had this for about like 3 years, and twice I couldn't charge it. And the only thing you have to do is restart it. Just turn it over, and there's a little tiny button or a little tiny pinhole right there. So you have to grab yourself like a SIM ejection tool from like one of your phones or your tablets or iPads. That should work. If not, you can get like a small, like a paper clip here, and that should work as well. So this is what you want to do. You want to go ahead and put the needle in there, and the thing is, you want to press and hold and just wait until you get the white light on front. It'll take about 5 seconds, and then you want to pull the needle out right away. You don't want to keep it in there. If you keep it in there for like 12 seconds, it'll factory reset it. Okay, so we're going to do this together. I'm just going to go ahead and put that pin in right here. Ready, set, press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a light, white light. Pull it out right away. Okay, and now just go ahead and let it restart. And then after you do that, you can go ahead and try to charge it. Just plug it in, wait a few seconds, and okay, you just missed the chime that turned it on. But anyway, and now if you press it while it's charging,
the battery is 65% charged.
there you go.
It'll be fully